is my brother Luigi now to tell you a whole heap of a spaghetti pile of information. Hello, Mario.
We need to find a way to get more red lines. Yes, especially since our corruption has returned. It is just still transforming. They thought they could get rid of our corruption. This was just the beginning. I have a secret agent who is pretending to be a teaser trailer. Corruption activated. Oh, our corruption's fully restored, everyone. Yeah! Anyway, I have a secret little agent around the track who goes by the name of, let's just say, something like Jack. He's purple and green. Don't get it twisted with the actual trunk fresh. You got it, guys? So capture the right one. Go! I'll go do it. I know which one you're talking about. I've seen it before. Corruption. I got you, secret agent. Oh, right. Oh, yes, you have. Oh, yeah. Hello, buddy. It's good to be returning. I know, we still don't know where our leader is. We gotta find him. I've been searching around the entire continent. So far, nothing. So far. Actually, I've looked everywhere now. He's nowhere to be found. He must be somewhere. We need to find him for a plan or else it's not gonna work. I know. I'm getting to it. Right now, I gotta do my little talk show thing so that I can hypnotize the people that watch it into red lines too, okay? Fine, do your thing. We will find the leader. Whatever. Computer? Yes. Disguise. Activate. Disguise. Activating. Perfect. Now I just gotta act the part. Now I gotta go work on that stupid show. Vitaline, you're up next. Wait, he's already another secret agent. Oh, this plan is gonna be great. 6 of us. Oh my god. Oh, in the race. Yes, I'm almost about to pass Storm and Cruz. They're getting close to each other. I gotta pass them fast. And it's the final lap. Hey there, Storm. Oh no, I'm not coming in 3rd place. Seems like you are. See ya, pal. No! Yeah, go! Lightning! I'm in the lead! Woohoo! You win this race, and I got a big surprise for you. Oh, you got it, Mac. And the winner is Lightning McQueen! Yes, I did it! Yes! All right, Mac, what does you want to show me? Well, follow me, kid. Okay. All right, we're almost there. Are you sure that this is a good idea? Of course, it's a surprise for you. Well, we'll see, I guess. Just gotta move into the perfect spot for it. Here, climb on top of me. Okay. Whoa, it actually fits right here. I know. Alright, hop off. Alright, what is it? Let's just see. Back up. Oh my God, Mac! How did you afford this? Oh, I've been saving up a long time. That's why nothing has happened the past 5 years. Oh my God, Mac, this is amazing! Wait a minute. Did Tech sell Rusty's or did he give some money to you for this? Tex gave me some money for it. He knew you'd like it. Oh my God, but he is right. Oh my God. This is amazing. Does this even raise up? Oh my, it does. What do I slightly? Oh, this is amazing. Oh my God. I gotta see what's up here. Oh, all my trophies. Yep. And a lot of them. Oh my God, how did you even transport them all from Radiator Springs to here? Oh, just don't worry about it, kid. Anyway, we should probably get going. It's getting pretty late. Yeah, you're right. Hook up. You sure you want to stay in there for the night? Yep, just right along. Alright, Radiator Springs, here we go.